Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 6A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 90093682838, and kindly note this number for future purposes. Also, we providing also the online tuitions classes and many more things. So if you need any help, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Now here the question number 6A is saying that to select a contemporary leader when you find inspiring and prepare a case study analyzing their leadership style, highlighting specific traits, strategies and actions that contribute to their effectiveness. Analyze the chosen contemporary leader's leadership style in relation to modern leadership theories and evaluate the impact of their leadership on their organization or community. So this question is taken from lesson 13 and we have prepared all the answers accordingly. If you need this, you can contact us, and for this we will provide all the answers accordingly. All the we have prepared actually prepared all the answers. So if you need this, you can contact today. Thank you so much for watching.